I had to give myself grace, and I knew I had to be patient with myself. And if one thing is for certain, there will be more hard days in the future. But for now, today was a good day. I felt happy and productive and motivated, and it's been a while since I felt like this consistently. So I'm gonna count that as a win in my book. Hope you guys had a great Sunday, and I will talk to you later. Videos a day without skipping a beat, but it is a huge adjustment to go from living with another adult to living by yourself and being in charge of 2 little ones. I obviously thrive in a clean and organized environment like so many of us, but coming off the back of my divorce, I was pretty depressed, and honestly, there were a lot of Sundays where I couldn't do a full reset and I could really only do the bare minimum. I just want to tell you, if you are going through the same thing, whether it is divorce, grief, whatever it may be, that is okay. I always knew my spark and motivation would return. I mean, at least I hoped it would.